Yo, what's good? DMBJ TV. Cousin just got in town. Came from North Carolina, so we about to go out and get lit. It's supposed to be a lit night down here at the club called Seville, so we about to go get crunk. Just stay tuned. You know what I'm saying? So give this video a thumbs up, you know what I'm saying? Go on and like it one time and click that subscribe button down there below.
Let's fuck around. Yeah. Body. Yeah. I'ma need that right on me. Yeah.
Man, it's 3:25 in the morning, boy. I'm sleepy as hell. So I'm ready to go home, about to go home, go to sleep, and I'll see y'all in the next clip in the morning. Good morning, DMBJ TV. Yo, man, last night, hey, some things can't even speak about. My cousin though, hey, we was too turned last night. You know what I'm saying? Too turned. And yes, I still have on the same shirt. It's 12:40 currently. I just really woke up and got out the bed. So I'm about to run to Walmart. Me and my brother gonna run to Walmart, and he's gonna run to his job and go get like some new clothes or whatever for the job. And then I'm gonna come back, cook my breakfast, and then I'm gonna take a shower because I gotta get out this shirt. But yeah, man, just stay tuned for the rest of this vlog. I don't know what's gonna happen, you know what I'm saying? You know how anything is possible. I might get a bottle of Henny, make anything is possible, you know what I'm saying? I might get some water, not Henny, water. I meant to say water, yeah. But I'm touching when I'm with you. Girl, you do something to me. Hey. Ooh. Yo, y'all know what I'm saying, you gotta join your boy because I'm about to make some breakfast, man. It's currently 1:11, you know what I'm saying? It's 1:11 p.m. and I'm just now about to eat breakfast. Like, I really only eat like probably 2 meals, sometimes 3, but 2 meals a day, because I eat breakfast like super duper late. Like I eat breakfast at like freaking noon. So when you're supposed to have lunch, I eat breakfast. This right here is the channel of Derek Cooks, you know what I'm saying? DMBJ Cooks. It's my food channel. What I got? I got the maple sausages on deck. So. Wow, see that? Sausage is done, you know what I'm saying? Now, it's about that time. You know what I'm saying? Get that skillet right there. Cook these eggs. Salt and pepper. When you cooking your eggs, please, please, please use salt and pepper. If you don't put no seasoning in your eggs, man, something wrong with your life. And then what I like to do is I take a little bit of cheese and I put it in the eggs and, you know what I'm saying, in the kitchen, you know what I'm saying, twist it like a stir fry. I'm whipping it, you know. Yeah, I like to put cheese in here, bro. For some reason it helped me cook my eggs, make it like super soft. Instead of real chunky, like. In the kitchen wrist, twist it like a stir fry.
Kitchen wrist, twist it like a stir fry. Whip it in the kitchen wrist, twist it like a stir fry. Whip it in the kitchen wrist, twist it like a stir fry. Whip it in the kitchen wrist, twist it like a stir fry.
Yo, man, I really miss my grandma, man. I really do, because we sit around the house all the time and watch the sitcoms on BET. Meet the Browns, House of Pain. Then we sit around and watch, what is it? Judge Joe Brown, Judge Judy, Judge Mathis.
Thank you.
Shoot. And then, later, bro. See you later. Wheel of Fortune. What's that? Jeopardy. Freaking, I can't even. Family Feud. Same since my grandma been passed. 3 of them that I still watch, which is House of Pain, Meet the Browns, and Family Feud. But all the judge shows and stuff, I don't really watch it like that. For anybody that's out there that likes Teen Wolf, I am a huge Teen Wolf fan. Like very, very huge. By the way, my eggs done. See what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I'm a huge Teen Wolf fan. And my grandma used to think that that show was so crazy. And then she sat down one day and started watching it with me. And she fell in love with that show. But like I said, man, I really do miss my granny. But yeah, man, so got that good eat right there, you know what I'm saying? And this is going to conclude the episode of Derek Cooks, you know, the DMBJ Eats. We're going to cut it off right here. I'm about to get the grubbing. And then I cut the camera on when I do something, y'all. See you in the next clip. Yo, man, I decided your boy feel fresh, man. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video off right here though. I'm gonna call this end of this video, and then when stuff get popping later on, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna turn it back on and gonna get the word for y'all, you know what I'm saying. But y'all make sure y'all hit that thumbs up button, you know what I'm saying, give this video a like, hit that subscribe button down below, you know what I'm saying, and follow me on my social medias. It's gonna be in the description down below, my Snapchat, my Instagram, Twitter. You know what I'm saying? So y'all do that for your kids. Share this video, comment, do all that. You know what I'm saying? Just spread love, show love, because that's all I'm about. And y'all already know I love y'all. So peace.
When I'm in my bag though, look, I got love for you, be a cup for you. Beat it a couple times, it's having a cuff on it. I never loved women, ain't had a time now. And since I had a baby girl, I'm in my vibe now. Who gon' fuck with us? One of the realest niggas. I got $1 million from Nima from being independent. Feel it, fear of God, zipper on, J-Lo, Renzo.